Here's a 1970 Chevrolet Custom 10. Regular cab, long box. Beautiful paint job on this truck. Got a custom look to it. It is powered by a small block Chevy V8 350. That is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Check out this paint too. See where the white and the blue with a little bit of a silver pinstripe in there. All the way back to where it fades out, the deck stripes. Truck is equipped with power steering also underneath the hood. Let's go down the road very nicely. Aftermarket polished aluminum wheel. BF Goodrich rubber. Just a nice looking truck all around. Get around to the other side, I'll show you the interior. Start it up so you can hear it run. So it's a very nice driver quality truck. Very solid underneath too. Engine bay is very tidy. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see those things, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or if you'd like to inquire about transportation or have any questions on this truck, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Show you what they did for the kind of a bed liner or bed protector in here too. They have a kind of an indoor-outdoor carpeting to protect the bed, and this is actually on plywood. So you can flip this up in all four corners and slide it right out. I'll give you an idea back here also. So you can flip this up, so if you don't want it in there, one person could slide that out. Also take a look at box is very nice underneath there too. So all four corners will flip up, like I said, so you can slide it past the wheel wells. You can see how nice and tight it is in there. Obviously this truck hasn't really been driven in the rain or much for inclement weather since it's been redone. Neat little accessory on it, and if you don't want it in there, take it out. Sliding rear window. This also has some of the air horns underneath the hood there. There's a tank you can fill with a compressor on the back and use the air horns under the hood if you'd like. And see, it retains the stock dash. Updated steering wheel. Door cards would still be stock. Get out of the glare there. Carpeting's been redone up here. Obviously, different seat in it. A little more comfy. Does have the belts and everything there. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Great running truck. As you can see, it doesn't take much to start it. Has had an aftermarket Pioneer stereo put in it. Get down the low idle, slip around back so you can hear it. Visor's all there, dome light works. Slip around to the back. Nothing crazy. Nice little rumble out of that 350. Typical pickup door. I didn't close it very firm. There you go. Nice fit and finish to this truck. It's a 1970 Chevrolet Custom 10 regular cab long box, powered by a 350 Chevy paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726.